I'm certain this headset has made me a better gamer already. From always falling short to second and third in Battle Royale games, I am finally seeing more wins than ever before. This is the all-new JBL Quantum 950 wireless headset, and it is changing the game quite literally. It has a brand new redesign that offers both comfort and aesthetic for a seamless switch from day to night. Removing the RGB and detaching the new microphone elevates this model in a new way, making it seamless for work calls during the day or content watching and listening, to then switching to gaming at night for powerful sound. The materials that it's made from are a lot more premium, with partly recycled plastics to craft this all new look that has modular components such as the magnetic leatherette ear cups, the mesh hammock under a silicone headband, and a removable side cap to house the battery, as well as the metal sliding arms. The colors are on brand and look really cool, and the simplicity here, it makes this even more elite. So what's actually new here aside from this complete design overhaul? Well, it's actually this all new base station. This takes on many functions, as it's your 2.4 GHz low latency wireless connection, as well as your full control center to toggle ANC on and off, spatial audio and ambient aware, as well as your game and chat balance on the fly. Mid-game adjustments with no interruptions, that's what this does. But there's actually a battery housing here in the back of it. And this charges one of the 2 hot swappable batteries that you get with the headset, meaning you literally never run out of power. And also, if you forget to charge your headset with the USB cable, this is always going to have a spare battery charge for you. Up to 50 hours across the 2 batteries that you get included means you're always ready to roll. The base station functions can also be customized in the new and revamped JBL Quantum engine software, and you even get control over the new cardioid noise cancelling boom mic, which allows you to use the inbuilt AI to drown out background noise and enhance your voice for calls and game chat. 50mm carbon dynamic drivers across the whole range means pro-level sound no matter what, but with this model, you're enhancing your gaming sessions with the addition of spatial audio and head tracking, which in my opinion has been fully improved and upgraded. There's still USB-C charging as well as USB wired connection if you prefer. There's Bluetooth 5.3 and the modular parts like the ear cups and the hammock. That is all replaceable. This is actually such a good point from a sustainability perspective, because not only is this made with some recycled parts, it means if you do experience cosmetic wear and tear over time, you're not having to go out and buy a whole new headset, which is great for the environment. If the tech isn't failing, then the headset isn't necessarily failing either. The fact that you can just replace these cosmetic issues, that is a really great point. This model is a much needed upgrade in my opinion, and I am certain that it's going to impress you no matter how you use it. Premium immersive sound and comfort is here in the all new JBL Quantum 950 wireless headset. And if you want something a little more affordable, then the JBL Quantum 650 wireless and the 250 wired, they are some mid-range budget options for you. I'll leave a link down below to my other video where you can check out the features of those 2 models if you'd like. As your JBL Quantum expert, please leave your comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out. I will also link below the unboxings to all of the models too if you want to get a little bit of a raw look at me opening them. And there is a little discount code to my Australian viewers down below in the description as well. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that sub button because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video.